Let's unbox the Sorrell Full Moon 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet from Magnetic Mobility for Christmas. This is an eco-friendly gift box. Inside the bracelet box you will find information leaflet and care instructions about the bracelet. The bracelet comes beautifully packaged. The Sorrell Full Moon 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet is a stainless steel 4-in-1 bracelet, meaning that in the back of it, it's got 4 elements hidden away. So you can see here we've got the magnets, the FIR elements, germanium and negative ions on every link. To open the bracelet, simply pop the catch with your thumb, give it a good bit of pressure because we do like to make them quite tight to avoid loss. Hook it over and clip it closed. To put it on, simply drape it over your wrist with the open catch down so that you can easily catch the hook, pull up the clasp and tighten it. Make sure that you hear it click to ensure that it's closed securely. So this is the Sorrell Full Moon 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet. It is perfect for people with arthritis, back pain, migraine, fibromyalgia, joint and muscle pain, menopause symptoms and sports injuries. This is available on magneticmobility.ie.
This is available in a variety of sizes. However, if you're buying a gift for someone, we have a gift size option that comes with a handy sizing tool to adjust it at home.
Bracelet comes in luxury eco-friendly gift box. However, you can choose the no jewellery box option, in which case the bracelet will come in an eco-friendly satin bag. This will reduce your carbon footprint. This bracelet is available from magneticmobility.ie.